There were over 120 teams from over 35 different countries.
I really like how all the teams from all over the world come together at one point.
I'm Nathan Barra. I'm a third year mechanical engineering student and I'm head of aerodynamics and vehicle dynamics.
Charlie Hodgson, I'm team principal for UBRacing at University of Birmingham.
I'm Seb. I'm head of composites at the University of Birmingham Formula student team UBRacing. I really like the renders produced within Fusion.
Able to create this year some of the best renders that we have ever had on the team through using the software. It's been really useful because we've been able to describe and show on the car in a lot more detail what we actually wanted.
What we found really useful was the ability to share a folder of documents. So we had a team of 6 and we could all access the files, the CAD files, the simulation files all at the same time and share them instantly.
We can just upload it to the cloud and then no matter where we are on campus or whether at home, we can access it.
And obviously it works across all operating systems as well, so Mac and Windows. The whole team could use it very easily.
Autodesk have been really helpful with our project. They've been always enthusiastic with ideas we have. Any questions we've had with regards to the software or manufacturing, they've always been very quick to help us out and look to help us out further in the future.
You can always rely on them to produce very high quality parts within tolerance. We send them some of our most technical pieces to machine, so the uprights, and they always come back perfect. It's been a really good relationship that we've had with them over the years.